In this video, I will show you where to get quality interiors for your no-content and low-content books to sell on Amazon. Some of the sites in this video are free, and some paid, and I will give you my honest opinion so you can decide which to choose. If you like my info, please leave a like or subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get the latest updates first. Interiors are the most important component of your KDP book business, and I'm going to show you all my favorite resources for finding quality interiors. When I first started on KDP, I created all my book interiors in PowerPoint, until I found out about Canva. Canva is an online service that allows you to create all kinds of designs, like business cards, banners, graphics and book covers and interiors. You get access to tons of free graphics and elements that can be used to spice up your interior pages, without being a graphics artist. Just sign up for a free account, and once logged in you can start creating simple interiors in minutes. If you are a Canva newbie, and don't know how to get started, check out the Canva tutorial video on my channel to see how it works. Now, Canva is okay for creating simple designs like lined notebooks and decorated journals, but after a while, you may want more flexibility and tools to make great-looking interior designs. For instance, interiors on Canva can contain maximum 100 pages, so if you want to make a book interior with 120 pages, you must copy and download the main interior file, and use a special PDF merging site like I Love PDF, to put both files together. Don't get me wrong. Canva does a great job. It's perfect for beginners who are testing the waters, and I made lots of nice designs on Canva. But I wanted to create more advanced interiors and stop wasting time on things like putting PDF files together, so I quit using Canva as my main source for KDP interior designs, and got myself a paid account with Tangent Templates. Tangent Templates is just awesome. It's a membership site for KDP publishers, and costs a one-time fee of $59, but it's worth it. They have a number of excellent tools to help you design and publish low-content paperback books on KDP. The user interface is simple. You select an interior, pick the trim size, set the amount of pages, select bleed or no bleed, and voila, your ready-made KDP interior pops up in just a few seconds. With Tangent Templates, there's no more need to create interior pages from scratch. Tangent Templates has a huge selection of different KDP templates, like sketchbook pages, comic book interiors, sermon journals, recipe paper, habit trackers, template packs for special niches, and dynamic templates to make planners or beautiful prompt journals and notebooks. It's all point and click. If you don't want the ready-made option, you can use the designer tool to create unique interiors where you add text, elements and graphics, just like you would do on Canva, but with much more options and flexibility. You can also mix different interiors that you already created, to produce custom interiors like planners and diaries. There's also a useful tool that helps you with book cover design and formatting. Put in the book interior specifics, and click Continue to see the cover dimensions for Canva, Photoshop or any other design editing tool. The Listing Helper is another handy tool where you enter your book information, like the title, author name, description, keywords and categories, and if you have the free Tangent Templates browser extension enabled, you can submit your paperback book to your Amazon KDP account with a simple mouse click. This option alone is worth the membership price. The following website where you can make KDP interiors is called BookBolt. Some parts of BookBolt are free and some are paid. You can access their free interiors by clicking the Interior Wizard button and then you'll be presented with all the free options. Pick a design that's not grayed out, add the specifics, and just like Tangent Templates, a ready-made interior is created in no time. Paid members can access more interiors and book publishing tools for $9.99 per month, and for $19.99 you also get access to the Puzzlewiz app. Puzzlewiz is a tool for creating different types of puzzle book type interiors like Sudokus, crosswords, mazes and others. If you use my special sign-up link, you get a 20% discount on your BookBolt membership. Now, what if you want to make your book interiors really pop out, and don't want to use ready-made KDP templates? Then I recommend you to have a look at this site called Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is also a paid membership site, with tons of unique KDP book interiors in every possible niche. It's a goldmine for KDP publishers, and with a paid account you can download as many graphics, fonts and book designs as you wish. Type in KDP interior files in the search bar, and a list with ready-made designs will pop up. Creative Fabrica is also a fantastic site if you are looking for inspiration for niche interiors. The files can be downloaded in single PDF format, or packed in bundles, whatever you prefer. I also like Creative Fabrica because of the free gifts they give away every day. Click the Daily Gifts button to see what's available for download, and then use the free stuff to decorate your book interiors. It's also simple. Download an interior file, add a welcome or starting page to it, and upload the PDF to Amazon KDP. There's a huge selection of coloring book pages and interiors for creating popular kids and adult coloring books, which are selling very well on Amazon. If you want to use coloring pages, I recommend modifying them slightly, so your interior will not be the same as other coloring books. Amazon has a strict policy when it comes down to duplicate content, and may close your account if you sell books that are already listed on their platform. So, always check that your KDP content is unique to stay in line with Amazon. If you want to try out Creative Fabrica, I have a special discount link for you below this video. A full subscription costs $29 a month, and gives you unlimited downloads, and the $19 membership gives you access to the graphics, fonts and all kinds of embroidery designs. Another option to get ready-made KDP book interiors is Gumroad. I have a Gumroad store where people can download simple book interiors like lined journals, sketchbooks, Sudoku and maze puzzle books and some other popular ones. If you are new to KDP Publishing, you will find some fine interiors here for a low price that you can use over and over again to create multiple low-content books. The link to my Gumroad store is below this video. If you are looking for a huge bundle of professional KDP interiors in various niches and topics, check out the Book Bird Gold Library on Gumroad. Their amazing package contains more than 100 high-quality template interiors for different niches, all ready to upload to Amazon. There's a one-time fee to get access to this set of beautiful templates, and they can be used to make unlimited books, so KDP Publishing can't be made any easier than this. I will drop the link below this video for you. Another place to find KDP interiors is Fiverr.com. Type in KDP interiors in the search bar to see a list. There are many products and bundles for sale here, in various niches, and here's a money-saving tip that I personally use when I buy stuff on Fiverr. I always contact the seller first and ask them if they can give me a special price. Some sellers will not do this, but in most cases, the seller will agree to offer you a special price, so it's good to shop around and do your research before you buy on Fiverr. Fiverr is also a good place to buy Sudoku puzzles in bulk, to make activity puzzle books. I have a video on how to make money selling puzzle books on KDP on my channel, check out the link below for more info. Also remember from my previous video that I'm giving away 50 free Sudoku puzzles with their solutions to make a Sudoku puzzle book. Check out the download link below to get our free Sudokus. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the beautiful notification bell. Leave a comment below if you know other good places to find KDP interiors, or if you have a specific question. Thanks again for watching to the end, and have a great day.